Today I'm sharing a quick and easy recipe with cabbage and lavash. If you're looking for something fast and simple, this option is perfect for you. It turns out great every time and has a beautiful golden crispy crust. We'll need 400 grams of cabbage. You can use young cabbage or napa cabbage, whatever you have on hand. Slice it into thin, short strips so it fits nicely inside the lavash. Grate half of a carrot on a fine grater, about 50 grams. It improves the flavor of winter cabbage. Take half of a medium onion and slice it into half rings. It removes the strong cabbage smell and makes the filling juicy but not watery. Separate the onion with your hands into thin strands. Pour 50 milliliters of vegetable oil into a pan and sauté the onion until soft. Add the carrot and cook for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring gently.
Lightly sauté until soft.
Add all the cabbage at once and set the heat to medium. Stir, then let the cabbage settle for about 5 minutes. Add a little more than half a teaspoon of salt, 1/3 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and add 1/3 of a teaspoon of oregano at the very end. It gives aroma without bitterness. Cover with a lid and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how thick the cabbage is. Turn off the heat and let the filling cool slightly. Now let's prepare the lavash. Take 3 lavash sheets or tortillas and cut each one in half. Quickly dip them into cold water or lightly spray them to soften. Place 1/2 on the board. Divide the filling into 6 portions. I used about 2 tablespoons for each piece. Fold the sides inward, shape into an envelope, gently press, and place seam side down into a baking dish. Grate 70 grams of mozzarella cheese and sprinkle it on top. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius, 390 degrees Fahrenheit, for 10 to 12 minutes, until the cheese melts completely and turns golden. While it's baking, chop some fresh dill for garnish. The dish is ready to serve. Sprinkle with dill and enjoy. Lavash with cabbage goes perfectly with sour cream sauce, garlic yogurt, kefir, or a fresh vegetable salad. It also works well as a side dish for fish or light meat meals. In the end, we get a simple, filling, and very cozy dish with a crispy crust and stretchy cheese. It's made from affordable ingredients and looks just as good as it tastes. Thank you for watching till the end. Subscribe, like the video, and leave your comments. See you next time. Bye-bye.